Medieval folk form. Indian theatre, with its roots in Vedic rituals and classical Sanskrit drama, underwent a significant transformation during the medieval period, roughly from the 8th century to 18th century CE. With the decline of Sanskrit as a code and literary language, the rigid elite centric classical form gave way to vibrant folk theatrical traditions rooted in the vernacular and reflective of religion, religious, and social realities. These folk forms of medieval India played in vital role in keeping theoretical traditions alive among the masses, serving as a vehicles from entertainment, education, social satire, and devotional expression. This period witnessed a surge in popularity of oral narratives, devotional movements like Bhakti and Sufi movement, regional languages, and community based performance, leading to the developing of rich and diverse theatre forms across the Indian subcontinent. Different regions of India developed their own unique folk theatre traditions during the medieval period. Here are some notable examples. First is Bhavai. Bhavai originated in Gujarat uh, and are known for their musical and dramatic richness. Religious stories, especially those of local deities like Krishna, and popular themes. Second is Nautanki. Nautanki is originated from northern India, especially Uttar Pradesh. Nautanki is a combined of melodramatic storytelling, singing, and dance. Tamasha developed in Maharashtra in 17th century. It combines folk music like Lavani, dance, and theatre. Yakshagan from Karnataka. Yakshagan is a dance drama from the Amrade in coastal Karnataka. It blends classical elements and folk tradition. Using elaborate costume, makeup, and vibrant music. Jatra became popular in Bengal during the Bhakti movement, especially under Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. It began as a form devotional drama based on Krishna's life and evolved into secular theoretical forms. Jatra, known for the powerful voice delivery, song richness, narratives, and social theme. Terekuttu and Katikuttu, these forms of street theatre are practiced in Tamil Nadu and usually based on Mahabharat theme. Ram Leela, a pan-Indian folk tradition. Ram Leela involves dramatize of the Ramayana, especially during the Navratri festival. Bhona from Assam, initially by Srimanta Shankardev in 15th century, Saint and Reformed Bhona is the form of religious theatre form in satras like Vaishnav Panthi. It use mythological themes, a unique blend of rhythm, song, and storytelling.